I am talking, you are watching, he is thinking. Welcome to the present continuous. Let's learn how to use it step by step in a fun way. We use present continuous for actions happening now. Examples: I am speaking to you. I do it right now. You are learning English. You do it right now. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. The cat do it right now. Not every day at that time. How we form present continuous? Very easy. There is the formula. Subject plus am is or are plus verb in base form. For better remembering, use this association. Think of it like a camera. We capture what's happening right now with present continuous. Let's build some sentences together. I'll say the subject and you the correct form of verb in present continuous. Ready? Let's do it. I. Very good. I am eating. She. Yes, she is reading. They. Right, they are playing. How it was. Write in the comments. How many did you get right? Now, let's see how we build negative sentences. Here is the formula. Subject plus am is are plus not plus verb pine. Let's see it in examples. I am not sleeping. He is not cooking. They are not studying. Easy, right? Write in the comments some negative examples and I'll check them. We talked about positive and negative sentences in present continuous. Now let's break down how to make questions in this tense, how to ask about things that are happening right now. This is the formula. Am, is, or are plus subject, plus verb, plus ing. Here are some examples. Are you listening? Is she working? What are they doing? Now, make an example about your own and write it in the comments. So, present continuous for actions happening now. Easy, right? But usually we make mistake. Here are some common mistakes. I talking now. I am talking now. She watching TV. She is watching TV. Always remember am is or are plus verb playing. Let's check how good did you understand present continuous. Fill in the blanks with the correct present continuous form. Write your answers in the comments. Here are the correct ones. If you got 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5 right, you've got this tense down. If you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos, please write them in the comments and I will respond to them.